Hi guys, Oditi here. Just see the welcome view of Lawrencetown beach. So beautiful.
দেখে তুমি চিৎকার করে উঠছিলে, ওই যে তুই আজকে লোক নাই কেন এরকম হয়ে গেছিস।
Yes, today we are in Lawrencetown beach. We have planned to visit Martinique beach as well, which is 44 minutes away from Lawrencetown beach. I will share that video in a different vlog. Lawrencetown beach is not a sandy beach. In all shore, you will see rock like this. So it is better idea to take a chair to enjoy the ocean view. This beach has high tide, so you will see surfers every time here. Then we went for a walk in Atlantic View Trail. At the end of the trail, we find a small hill, and from the top of the hill, we enjoyed the Lawrencetown beach in bird's eye view. Here is the Porter's Lake in the other side of the hill. In the end of the hill, you will be rewarded by a mesmerizing view of Lawrencetown beach. You might find these little friends in your walkway. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye.